Hey guys, Jesse and Eric here with Foundation Training. We're going to talk to you a little bit about the issue we run into of people wanting to squeeze their glutes. Eric, lay on your back for me. Let's show them what we run into often. We set up for the anchored bridge. He's getting ready to traction his heels towards his hips so we can float him. Go ahead, show me what we got. The legs are turning out into external rotation because he's squeezing his bum together. So here's the fix. Eric, dorsiflex the feet, pull the toes towards your face, internally rotate those thighs, squeeze the thighs, let your hips relax, pull heels towards hips, hips towards heels. We want to isolate this to adductors, hamstrings, not the glutes, pinching, squeezing, driving us open. That's taking us in the other direction. Anything you want to add to it?
Your glutes are very important, but you squeeze them too much. You got to learn how to use the adductors to reciprocate the tension required for a healthy glute squeeze. Look that up.
Bring it into your next practice. Get on the app, get on streaming, stream.foundationtrain.com. That's where you'll find us.